Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can import trades to TraderVue from cTrader. So what you'll need to do is basically log in to your TraderVue account, and right here you'll find a green button where it says import trades. Click on that one, and basically right here you'll have broker sync and standard import. So if you use broker sync, let's see if we have a cTrader. So as I can see, we don't have right now a cTrader. So basically what we'll need to use is standard import. And right here from the standard import, select a broker. So it will be a cTrader. And right here for the account tag, I will leave it as default. You can select different one. You can add different tags if you want to. Then select a local time zone. So select your time zone right here. So I will select this one. After that, what you'll need to do is import a file. So the file and how you can get that. So basically to import a trade data from cTrader, follow these steps. So select cTrader on the left side of this page and select the time zone cTrader is running in. Then select the history tab in the bottom section of cTrader. Click the arrow next to the green statement button and select the date range you wish to export. Click the green statement button and save the report as HTML file to your desktop or anywhere else. Just remember where you put it, because actually you will need to upload this file right here. So after that, select an upload file, then select CSV file or HTML file as you get from the cTrader. So in your way, it will be HTML file. And after that, just upload a file and click import trades. And actually in the trades, you'll see all your imported trades. So as you can see, I actually imported the wrong file, so I didn't get a trades right here shown. So you'll get your trades right here, and you'll basically, that's how you import those trades. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.